that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable.
I'm just going to get straight into today's video. So I'm making a smoothie, as you can tell by the title. I'll link all ingredients down below in the description box. Please do remember to like and subscribe for more content from me. And yeah, let's just enjoy the video and I'll get right into it. Okay, so hello, here I have my strawberries. They're fresh out the fridge. I cut them all up in little pieces just so it make it easier to blend in the blender. Now I had to use the blender twice to mix up all my strawberries because I had quite a lot, so it took 2 blends just to fill it all up and then blend it and then fill more up and then blend it again. This is what it looked like in the tub when it was like partly done. This is the first blend. Now I'm adding 2 yogurts after blending it twice. This is, you can use like any type of yogurt you want, full fat or not, it doesn't really matter. I'm just using non-added fats, and I'm using half a tub of yogurt for this. I then also went on to using, after mixing it, I also went on to using some cinnamon for flavour, some honey for like vitamins and that, and protein, and I put in some ice, and yeah, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed. today's video, so please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.